Welcome to 319 Swamp Gum Trail. This lovely 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath duplex townhome with a covered front entry, 1-car garage, as well as luxury vinyl plank flooring and granite countertops inside. It's located in the Stillwater subdivision in West Columbia. It's convenient to I-26, just minutes to West Columbia and Cayce amenities, as well as a quick commute to downtown Columbia. We are out front. You see you have a nice sized 2-car wide driveway leading up to a 1-car garage with carriage style accents on the door. This is the left side of a duplex unit, 2 stories. It's in a newer construction at the time of this video. Neighborhood, there's still some going on down towards the end of the street there. Towards the front, you have a covered front entry as you come in. Nice front door with some glass at the top. And then as you enter into the foyer and the open floor plan living area, you see the luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout the main level or downstairs. So you have, like I said, an open floor plan here with the living room open to the kitchen, as well as dining. Small foyer off the entry there. Nice high ceilings. You have recessed lighting throughout as well. There's a countertop bar at the edge of the kitchen. On the left side here, as you approach, you have a coat closet. There's also a half bathroom, a single vanity, pedestal sink, and commode. That flooring continues into there. And then you also have a pantry on the left side here as well. Then you have an eat-in dining area back here in the corner. You have a nice light, as well as window and the sliding glass door back out to the back. We'll take a quick look out there before glancing at the kitchen. So you have a patio out back, sort of shared backyard space, or sort of open. You do have some fencing separating your neighbor to the right. And then you have the kitchen, which has side-by-side stainless steel refrigerator. You have a dishwasher, smooth top electric range, and microwave as well. You do have built-in audio connections over on the wall there that run to the speakers that you can see in the kitchen ceiling. We'll take a look at the second level, but before we go there, you can access the garage via this door towards the end of the living room. We'll have to pump the light up in here for you. So you can see it's a one-car garage, pretty decent size. It's a smaller mid-size SUV inside of it right now. You have a water shutoff in there as well. As we adjust that light for you, we'll take a look upstairs. So you have carpeting starting on the stairs, and that goes up into the hall and the bedrooms. You do have the luxury vinyl plank flooring in the bathrooms up here again. So this is the master on this side. It's rear facing. Pretty nice sized room. You also do have, of course, a full bathroom attached with that same flooring. You have a shower and tub. Enclosure has a nice built-in shelf. Then you have a single vanity with granite countertops and a walk-in closet on the other side, which is a nice size. And then there are 2 additional bedrooms and a second full bathroom on this level. We'll just walk you down the hall. You have a linen closet here to your left. Attic pull down here sort of in the center. That second full bath, as we mentioned, with the granite countertop on the single vanity. and then also that shower and tub enclosure again. Then bedroom number 2. This one sort of faces the front of the home. Smaller walk-in in this bedroom. And then on the way to your 3rd bedroom, you do have a full-size laundry closet off the hall. That flooring is in here as well. You have a drip pan for the washing machine, and both connections are there. And then that final bedroom, this one's at the very front. That 2nd bedroom does face front as well. And then you have the closet tucked here behind the door, which you can see here once we get you some light. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, the address is 319 Swamp Gum Trail in West Columbia. You can find out more information online at turnerproperties.com.